I've always been a big fan of the Lord of the Rings movies, so when I seen this theme available, I thought I would try it out. And I'll have a link in the description to this web page, but they give you uh, a couple of screenshots here of what each one looks like, and they look pretty cool. So I thought I would try them out. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. This is a free download, and it's also a zip file, so you're going to need some kind of unzip program. I happen to use WinZip. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to save it to, now I've already created a Lord of the Rings theme folder, so that's where I'm going to save it to. I'm just going to wait for it to download. Close that. I'm going to come back to my documents and come in my theme here, and here is the zip file. So I'm going to right click on it and come down here to my 7-zip program and hit click extract files, click OK, and then extracted the folder. So I'm going to click on the folder, and right here is the setup for the themes, and also there's a readme text that you might want to check out. It tells a little bit about how to install it. So I'm going to close that out and double click this. I'm going to click next. And by the way, most of these themes, or all of the themes, look like Windows 2000. They have that same type of theme to it. So I'm going to click next. Excuse me. Click next again, and I'm going to put these in my Lord of the Rings folder. So I'm going to click OK, click next again. It's going to extract it. So I'm going to go back, and here is all of the themes here, and they come in these different resolutions, 1024 by 768 and then 800 by 600. So there's two different resolutions per theme, and in here it just shows a little bit about the cursors, sounds, and whatnot. So now that you have all your themes, what you can do is just exit out of this, right click on your desktop, go to properties, under themes, come down, and here they all are, and just choose whatever one you want, or you can browse for them like this and find wherever folder they're in, and then you can, this way you can choose more or less which resolution you want. I'm going to just choose the first one like that, and click apply, and click OK, and here it is. Here's the new thing. Pretty cool looking, but if you'll notice up here, well, first off is the cursor is turned into a sword, and under the My Documents, My Computer, and the Recycle bin, the icon has been replaced with these pictures of characters from the movie, which is pretty cool. Also, it has different sound effects. For instance, when I click when I click back on that, it has a sound effect, and then when I minimize it, it has a different sound effect. And I believe there's different sound effects for different things, and also the cursors change depending on what you do. So this is one of the themes. I'll just change another one. Go back to properties, come over here, and you can choose from here or browse, doesn't really matter. And I'll just choose the second one and click apply and click OK, and there's the other one. Now I'm not going to go through all of these, but this is the basic idea of how they look. And also, if you go back into your My Documents folder And by the way, each theme you can see has somewhat of a different color to it. It looks like the Windows 2000 theme, but they have different colors to them. And you can go back in here. Let me get back into my documents, into your Lord of the Rings folder, and let's see, in here where it has sounds, go in here and you can test out these I believe are all the different sounds that are on here, for like when you shut down your computer. I believe that's what it sounds like when you shut down your computer, or has these different ones. Come,
Master. Come to speak.
Anyway, it just has some of these cool sound effects to it that you can check out, and also there shows the different cursors that that comes with this, and so all in all, this is a pretty neat program, and there is a screensaver. Let's see, right here, that you can click on.
Become who you were born to be.
And it'll just say click OK.
He makes you murder us!
And go through that, and just kind of go through click OK, and then you'll have your screensaver. And it's basically the same way as like you would normally choose your screensaver. Go to properties, screensaver, and I think it should be right there automatically, and then you can preview it and check it out. So I'm going to click OK to that, and let's see, I think that's really about it. Like I say, pretty deep program. You can kind of experiment with these different themes a little bit, check them out at it's a free program, and if you're a fan of Lord of the Rings, I think you're gonna really like this. I did. So that's it. That's my preview of this Lord of the Rings theme.